Welcome back to Overheat, Lexus Motorhome, 2026. Exterior carbon fiber and aluminum composite materials provide a lightweight, robust body that improves performance and fuel economy. Matrix LED headlights and taillights, featuring a distinctive Lexus style and adaptable features. Specialty alloy wheels, large, multi-spoke, probably 20 to 22 inches, with a two-tone or chrome finish. Automatic entry, electric folding steps and sliding side doors that operate automatically. Large, integrated electric side awnings, with concealed LED illumination are examples of automatic awnings. External storage compartment, plenty of easily accessible storage space, perhaps with inside lighting and motorized sliding drawers. A 360-degree camera system makes parking and navigating confined locations simple. Integrated solar panels for extra battery charging. Thin, effective solar panels may be installed on the roof. Interior, equipped with an advanced head-up display HUD, a digital instrument cluster that can be customized, and a sizable integrated infotainment screen. An L-shaped sofa or two-seat lounge with high-end leather or fabric upholstery, an electric recliner, and a coffee table that can be raised or lowered. Large pop-up LED TV and a high-end Mark Levinson sound system with several speakers and a concealed subwoofer are features of the premium entertainment system. Garden features include a huge sink with a chic faucet, a microwave and convection oven, a two-door refrigerator freezer, and a two-burner induction cooktop, cabinets and drawers for smart storage that have built-in organizers and soft close mechanisms. An electric height-adjustable base, high-quality memory foam mattress, and storage underneath are features of a queen-size or king-size bed. Engine, a potent electric powertrain coupled with an efficient and potent twin-turbocharged V6. Transmission, automated 10-speed direct-shift gearbox. Rear-wheel drive RWD or all-wheel drive AWD with improved traction is the drivetrain option. Facilitates very fast DC charging.